Here's my 2018 Street Glide Special, and I've already put my Glock windshield on it, put my axle covers on it, put the custom dynamic front signal lights in, put the heavy breather on it, the new style heavy breather, my highway pegs. And I've also put a stage 3 114 kit in it. I've got 150 miles on it, and it really seems to pull very nicely so far. I haven't pressured it in first and second gear, but I've put a little pressure on it in third and fourth gear, and it seems to be reacting nicely. I went with the Screaming Eagle high flow exhaust, and here's what they look like at the end. I still have to mount my black docking hardware, and I've got my black curved license plate that I have to put on as soon as I get my registration. And I've got my little black seat button there. And anyhow, that's about it on that side, and that's about it over here. And I'm going to start it up and let it run. The exhaust sounded good. That's it.